Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your HP printer feeding paper normally, but only printing blank pages? If so, don't worry. This is one of the most common printer problems, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself without needing professional repair. In today's video, I'll walk you through several proven troubleshooting steps to help get your HP printer printing properly again. Make sure you follow each step carefully, because even a small issue like a clogged printhead or an incorrectly installed cartridge can cause blank pages to print. Let's get started. The first thing you should check is your ink or toner levels. Even if your printer appears to be working normally, empty or extremely low cartridges can cause completely blank pages to print. Open the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device and check the estimated ink levels. If any cartridge is low or empty, replace it with a new genuine HP cartridge and then try printing a test page. If the ink levels look fine, move on to the next step. Now let's inspect the cartridges. Open the printer's cartridge access door and wait for the carriage to stop moving. Carefully remove each cartridge and inspect it closely. If you've recently installed new cartridges, make sure all protective tape and packaging materials have been completely removed. It's surprisingly common for users to accidentally leave the protective tape on the cartridge nozzles, which prevents ink from reaching the paper. Reinstall each cartridge firmly into its correct slot until it clicks into place. Close the access door and print a test page. If the printer is still producing blank pages, the next thing we'll do is clean the printhead. Over time, dried ink can clog the printhead nozzles and prevent ink from being sprayed onto the page. On your printer's control panel, navigate to Settings, Tools, or Printer Maintenance, depending on your printer model. Look for an option called Clean Printhead, Clean Cartridges, or Printhead Cleaning. Start the cleaning process and allow it to complete. Once finished, print a test page. If necessary, run the cleaning cycle a second time. If the automated cleaning cycle doesn't fix the issue and you're comfortable trying a more advanced solution, you can manually clean the printhead. First, turn off the printer and unplug it from the power outlet. If your HP printer model supports a removable printhead, carefully remove it from the printer. Many HP DeskJet and OfficeJet models allow the printhead to be removed, but if you're not sure, check your printer's user manual before proceeding. Once removed, place the printhead with the nozzle side facing down on a folded, slightly damp paper towel. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. This helps loosen and dissolve any dried ink that may be clogging the nozzles. After 10 minutes, gently blot the printhead with a clean paper towel. Avoid rubbing or scrubbing the nozzles, as this could damage the printhead. Allow the printhead to air dry completely for about 15 minutes. Once dry, carefully reinstall the printhead and reinsert the ink cartridges. Turn the printer back on and print a test page. If the print quality still isn't restored, you can run the automated printhead cleaning cycle up to 3 times. Just keep in mind that each cleaning cycle uses ink, so avoid running it more often than necessary. In many cases, a combination of manual cleaning and 1 or 2 automated cleaning cycles is enough to clear stubborn clogs and restore normal printing. If you're still getting blank pages, let's check the printer settings. Sometimes incorrect print settings can cause unexpected printing issues. On your Windows computer, open Settings and go to Printers and Scanners. Select your HP printer and open Printing Preferences. Verify that the correct paper type is selected and make sure the printer is not set to use settings that could interfere with printing. Apply any changes and print another test page. Next, let's print an internal printer report. Most HP printers can print a printer status report or print quality report directly from the printer's control panel. Locate the Reports or Printer Information menu and print the report. If the report itself prints blank, the problem is likely related to the cartridges, printhead, or printer hardware. If the report prints correctly, then the issue is probably related to your computer, printer driver, or software settings. In that case, let's reinstall the printer driver. On your computer, open Device Manager. Locate your HP printer under Printers. Right-click the printer and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer. After restarting, download and install the latest printer driver for your HP printer model. Once the installation is complete, reconnect your printer and try printing again. If the problem continues, let's perform a power reset. turn the printer on. Disconnect the power cord from the rear of the printer. Then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord directly to a wall outlet and plug it back into the printer. Turn the printer on and allow it to complete its startup process. Now print another test page. If you've followed all of these troubleshooting steps and your HP printer is still printing blank pages, the printhead may be damaged, the cartridges may be defective, or the printer may require professional servicing. At this point, contacting technical support is the best option. And that's it for today's video. I hope one of these solutions helped you get your HP printer printing normally again. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you're still experiencing problems or need additional assistance, contact our support team. We'll be happy to help you troubleshoot your HP printer and get it back up and running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.